morning children. Today we are going to learn our fourth lesson, Mangoes Round the Year. Did you see the title of the lesson, Mangoes Round the Year? Why the title is Mangoes Round the Year? Will we get mangoes throughout the year? No, we won't get mangoes throughout the year. We will get mangoes only in the summer season. What did you eat for breakfast? You must have had idli dosa, chutney or aloo paratha, chapati, something like that. What will she do with the leftover food? She might have made it some papad with rice, or she might have kept in the refrigerator. Why she is doing so? Because the food she can save it for later use. Okay, now how we can understand that the food has got spoiled? There are so many ways to understand how the food has got spoiled. See, we can understand by touch. If the food has got spoiled, suppose example tomato, by the touch itself we can make out that the food has got spoiled. And by the color, if the color is changed, we can understand that the food has got spoiled. And by the smell, if we got any foul smell, we can understand that the food has got spoiled. At the same time, taste. If the taste has changed, we can understand that the food has got spoiled. I think you must have understood that how you can make out the food has got spoiled. By taste, by smell, by color and by touch. Now we can see what are the reasons for spoilage of food. Okay, see, they are microorganism. What is microorganism? Micro means very small. See, micro means very small. Have you heard of microscope? Microscope is a instrument that multiply the image 1000 times of its original size. Okay, now coronavirus is around us, no? Everywhere coronavirus is there. Can we see coronavirus? No, we can't see because it is a microorganism. Like that in this air, so many virus and bacteria already will be there, but we cannot see that. It is already present in the air. Then the next is moisture. Moisture is also one of the other reasons of spoilage of food. In rainy season, in the air, moisture content will be there. That is also one of the reasons for spoilage of food. And the other thing is temperature. Temperature is also, see, banana, it will spoil very fast. Any food items will spoil very fast in the summer season. Light is also one of the reasons for spoilage of food. You might have seen that some food items will be kept in brown color bottles. See the example. This is a medicine. It is kept in brown color cover. Now you understood that there are so many reasons for spoilage of food. Now we will see how we can save the food for future use. We can save food for future use by using different methods of preservative methods. They are canning. See, this is a sweet. This is preserved by canning method. This fruit or whatever it may be, it can be used for 1 or 2 months or 1 year. This is one example for canning. Other preservative method is pickling. We can preserve fruits and vegetables or fish in this method. See, this is a pickle. This lots of oil and salt is there in the pickle. It helps to save the food for future use. Next method is freezing. We can keep all the non-veg items in the freezer. Next method is pasteurization. We can preserve milk in this method. Boiling is also one of the preservative methods. Again, milk we can boil and keep it for future use. This is also one way of preservative method. Next one is smoking. Smoking is also one way of preserving food. Fish we can smoke and keep for future use. Next preservative method is drying. We can dry fruits. This is dates. This is dried and kept at the end. This is cashew nuts. Cashew nuts also can be preserved by drying. And you must have seen kismis. That is dried grapes. Next preservative method is sugaring or sweetening. We can preserve fruits in this method. See, this is a jam. This is preserved fruit. Now you must have understood that there are different ways by which we can understand that the food has got spoiled. And there are different reasons for spoilage of food. And there are different ways in which we can preserve the food for future use. Thank you, children.